Lagyan natin ng paminta, black pepper, and garlic granules. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng oyster sauce. Uy, kasarap nito guys. Ayan. Kaya, yung pong french fries ko guys, ilubig ko kasi mahaga pa. Pagkatapos ko pong ginisa ito, ilalagay ko po siya sa oven at ano guys, para po siya tuluyan ang maluto doon. Yung oven ko po siya. Ayan, nag-isa na po siya guys. Off natin ito. Ililipat natin siya sa isang lalagyan. Mega shoutout! Either Jabe, mega shoutout to you. How are you? Nice to see you. Hello, how are you too? Nice to see you too. Ayan, thank you guys. Now guys, I will transfer to the bowl. Uy. And then, lagyan natin dito. We will oven. Ayan. Put a little bit olive oil here. Para lang makuha yung ano niya guys. Because the taste of the shrimp is here. So, ayan. And then guys, I will shred the shrimp, guys. Hello, make a shout out to all of you. Hello, hey there, Javier, make a shout out. Delicious cooking. This is a butter shrimp, guys, and I will add a little bit. Oh, I made mistake for my grated cheese. I will grated cheese, guys, at the top. And then I will put on the oven for 170 degrees Celsius and then 20 minutes. All right. A moment, guys. So here is it, guys. The shrimp, butter shrimp, and now I will put on the oven. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ito